We see the final leaks of what to expect from the Samsung Galaxy S9 from one of the most trusted sources. More deals of the Huawei Mate 10 Pro emerge, and you should move quick. And Samsung might be renaming the Galaxy S lineup in the near future. I'm Jaime Rivera, and this is the perfect example of globalization where I record the video in one country, publish from another, but the video is getting edited by my son somewhere else. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with deals. If you're in the market for the Huawei Mate 10 Pro, I highly recommend that you look at Massdrop. It's currently $100 off, but there's a catch, and it's not really in the price, it's just that you have to actually set the phone in your cart, and it's not until you get there that you get the discount. You can learn more about everything in the description. I do recommend this phone. Now, today we get major news for the Google Pixel 2 and Pixel 2 XL, mainly because we admire everything that Google has done with that visual core from the Pixel. It definitely provides photography like we've never seen, and as of the security patch that you get today, this is available for third-party applications. So yeah, Pixel owners, it's about that time. Now let's talk about the iPhone 5C for all three of you that still have that phone. What, two? Only two? Okay, for all two of you that still have the iPhone 5C, and actually for replacements in general, we already heard that Apple is dealing with issues in the case of the iPhone 6S to provide replacements, so it's giving you a higher tier phone. In addition, in the case of the 5C, you get more storage if you go replace it for whatever problem you go complain about. So yeah, in the description you get more detail. Now let's talk about the Samsung Galaxy S9. By now we have everything we need to know, but once rumors hit Evan Blast, that's when we know everything is reliable. So yeah, we've got more leaked renders in addition to color options that look rather interesting. It seems that the Galaxy S9 will be everything the Galaxy S8 should have been, which is great, but let us know in the comments what you think about the recent renders. And finally, the very interesting news today have to do with the Samsung Galaxy X. And the reason why is because for those of you waiting for that foldable smartphone, apparently that won't be the case. It seems that Samsung is planning to rebrand the Galaxy S in the near future to Galaxy X, and they're going to figure out some sort of a branding for their foldable smartphone. Why is the company considering changing the name? We still don't know, but the source is apparently credible. In today's question, let us know, what do you think? I mean, do you think that it should retain the Galaxy S name, or should it jump to Galaxy X? In my case, I don't really care. I like them regardless, but leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel by hitting this button up here. You can watch yesterday's Pocketnow Daily up here, and our thoughts on the Samsung Galaxy S9 down here. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.